how to fix your payment method was declined App Store. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Settings app on your mobile device and simply tap on your name on the top and it will open the Apple ID settings. From there, simply tap on the Sign In and Security option available there. And once you tap on it, you will be navigated to Change Password option available. And all you have to do is tap on the change password in the blue highlights. Once you tap on it, you will again be navigated to enter your iPhone passcode in order for the security purposes. So now enter your iPhone passcode. Once done, you can see new or verify password option available there. Simply change your Apple ID password. And once that is done, go back to the settings again. And this time tap on the payments and shipping option available there. Once you tap on the payment and shipping, you'll again have to enter your Apple ID password, enter your new Apple ID password, and continue with the process. Once you have done it, you will get to see all your payment information available there. Now, all you have to do is remove that payment information and re enter it, and simply done and retry it. So, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.